Silly Little Beaver Children's Books Read Aloud.
Elmo's First Babysitter. Sesame Street. Elmo is so excited. Elmo is going to have a babysitter tonight. Her name is Emily. There's the doorbell. That must be Emily. Wait a minute. Maybe Elmo doesn't really want a babysitter after all. It is Emily. She looks nice, doesn't she? Elmo's mommy and daddy wrote down the phone number of the place they're going tonight. And they also wrote the phone number of our neighbors just in case. Now it's time to hug mommy and daddy goodbye. Sweetheart, you're going to have fun with Emily. Mommy, Daddy, are you sure you really want to go? We'll come kiss you goodnight when we get home. Emily, Elmo's tummy is feeling all growly. Please call the phone number on this piece of paper and tell Elmo's mommy and daddy to come home right now. Oh dear, that's too bad because I need your help making kooky faces for dinner. Did she say kooky faces? Did you see what we made? Kooky faces! Elmo made this one all by himself. Emily, dinner was yummy, but now Elmo's toenails feel a little bit sore. Please call Elmo's mommy and tell her to come home, okay? Gee, Elmo, that's too bad because I brought some special music for us to dance to. Special music? Wow, Elmo likes this music. Elmo's toe feels all better now. And look, Emily brought bubbles for Elmo to play with in the bathtub. When Mommy and Daddy give Elmo a bath, we don't ever get to blow bubbles. Time for bed now, Elmo. Elmo's daddy always tells a story at bedtime. Could you please tell Elmo a story? Emily told Elmo a story he'd never heard called The Brave Little Monster. Now that was a great story. Now could you please sing Hush Little Monster? Elmo's daddy always sings that. I don't know that one, but I'll sing you one of my favorite lullabies. Okay. Good night, Emily. Elmo will stay awake until Mommy and Daddy come home. Good night, Elmo. Okay, Elmo, I'll be in the living room if you need me. We're home, little Elmo. Sleep tight, Elmo. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Daddy. Elmo liked having a babysitter. It was fun. When is Emily coming back? Haha, that was fun. The end.
Thank you so much for going on that adventure with me. Please be sure to comment with your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna find something to eat now. Bye-bye.